Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to restart laptop with keyboard, using keyboard Windows 11 or Windows 10. Let's start by opening the Start context menu using the Control key shortcut +X. After that, we are going to use the down arrow key to move through the menu to the shutdown or sign out option. Then, with the right arrow key, we enter its options, and we will use the down arrow to locate the restart option. Finally, to complete this action, we will use the enter option and the computer will restart. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Esperamos que te haya sido de ayuda. Aquí tienes enlaces para ver más vídeos de tu interés y suscribirte al canal Solvetic. Gracias.